and this is the piece I want people to listen to now. This is the piece that's not in the public arena until this moment. You sent that letter to our committee on the 15th of February 2017. I went into the erupted restaurant that evening and you asked me to come over and have a chat to you. And we had the chat. You said I was unfair to you by not inviting you in. I told you you were unfair to us by having the information for 5 hours. And you concluded that conversation by saying, I can injunct you. Shame on the Minister of Finance for wanting to injunct the Public Accounts Committee for doing its function. You said to me, and I've written it down, I can injunct you. And for a Minister of Finance to threaten the Public Accounts Committee, that is the most inappropriate thing any Minister of Finance has ever done in my lifetime. And you should withdraw that threat here now. You should apologise to the Public Accounts Committee. I go so far as to say I would question your fitness for office when you threaten the Chair of the Public Accounts Committee with injuncting him for doing his job, when you threaten the 13 members of the Public Accounts Committee for doing their work, and that's your response. And you've come in here today with more of the same bluster, trying to threaten the Public Accounts Committee. Well, I'll tell you this, we'll be here long after you're gone.
Anish be injunct Mary Lou McDonald, and who's dividing her time. Minister, please, Minister. Minister. Minister, Deputy Mary, Deputy Mary, listen, members, you got your opportunities. Deputy Mary Lou McDonald has 10 minutes, which she's sharing with Deputy Pearse Doherty. Members, if you want to, we can arrange that you meet outside, have your discussions, but in here, I will decide who speaks.
And the
clock is just starting.
So the Minister is in fierce bad form.